All right, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Doing an unboxing, we're unwrapping Menlo Club. We're doing the package for this month, the month of May. Got baby KB here, you know, baby Case, and yeah, so he's doing the unboxing with me this go around because we tried to do the other video and he was in there. Start yelling and crying, running upstairs and stuff, and it was like, you know, where is daddy at, right? All right, so we gonna go. You ready to go? You ready to go, Kason? All right, let's go, let's go. So this month, they gearing up for summer, y'all. So, man, they got the khaki shorts. You know, I kind of always, you know, like throwing on the khaki shorts for the summer, but dang, these feels almost like slack, so they are different. That material is real smooth. And you probably got to wear some nice stuff with this, you know what I mean? And a little button-down shirt. Well, like you got that little pocket in there. I don't know what I'm throwing there, but got your little pocket. You got the flaps on the back with the button. The material is real silky smooth though. I'll give y'all that 5'4", Menlo, but they're 5'4" in Los Angeles on there. So all I gotta do is make sure these fit, and I'm good to go. Stuff opening back up, y'all, especially for the Navy. They letting us out. So whatever's open, we're gonna be able to go to. So maybe we'll start getting dressed a little more. I'm trying to show it out, drop my son, but you got the 5'4" tag in there. All right, but hey, these silky smooth though. We'll see. We'll see what goes on with that. Let's see what comes inside. You ready for the next one? All right, let's go. Let's go. Boom. Okay, so got some Melrose Place stuff in here. You know, I'm digging the Melrose Place stuff. Let's open that up. So of course they come in these bags that I use for other clothes once I take them out. So this looks like a little, you know, like a charcoal kind of dark gray. I don't know. Oh boy, I seen that say.
You're too big to fit this.
I'm too big to fit this? I'm too big? So it won't fit me? It's too small? No. Hey, what's up clowning, man? You clowning. All right.
I don't like them.
So you got the button down, you know, short sleeve.
They're not black. Those are black.
They're black?
They say, like you have a tunnel too.
Okay. All right. So we'll put this to the side. We'll dash this to the side. But cool though. I can see myself wearing that with some all white something. You know. Follow that to the side. Open up the next one. Boom. Here we go. Melrose Place again. Yeah. Okay. Like little. All right. I'm not good with these colors, y'all. Same type of shirt, kind of see-through, transparent. The buttons, you know, little Easter type colors. Another shirt you could just throw on with those khakis and you know, put some little white kicks on and be gone, you know. I like that little button deal. I like them with the short sleeve, just not with the long sleeve. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's kind of like I don't know, it's like a light emerald or something. Mr. R seen that on the YouTube, man. They clowned me for not knowing the colors and stuff. So that's the package we got this month. So we got 2 shirts with the buttons. You know, we're getting ready for the summer. It's hot out here, y'all. It's like 100 degrees out here in Escondido, just in San Diego in general. But anyway, thanks for coming back. Until I'll see y'all next time, take care of each other. And you want to say bye, Kason? Say bye.
Bye.
All right, y'all. Long live D-Mac.